my channel if you're new here. My name is Katie. This is hahahah, and we try a lot of stuff. So today we are making, what are we making? Slime. Fluffy cloud slime. Cloud slime?
Yeah.
Yeah, cloud slime. So, things you will need. What's this?
Glue.
Glue. What's this?
Soap.
Soap. And shaving cream.
And green.
And green. We're having green flavor because we're making green cloud slime. And we need activator, which is borax and water. So we've used 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon. I don't know, what did we use? Teaspoon, tablespoon.
It's a table.
A tablespoon mix of both. And water. So this is our activator for our slime. So let's get started.
Yes, get started. Yes, Queen.
Yes, Queen. Right, we've got our bowl. We need our glue. I don't know how much. Let's just do, should we do the whole lot?
Yeah.
Right, so how much is this? A liter. A little bit less than a liter. That's a lot.
Yeah, it's yours.
It's a lot. Okay. That will do. Oh, a bit more. Bit more. Oh, that sounded weird. Sounded like a fart. Did you? Yeah.
It's making another weird fart. I do every day. I love farting every day.
You love farting every day?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're gonna put shaving cream in here. Wait, do you want to put some soap in here?
Yeah. Hey, how do you open this air?
Oh, is it not open?
No.
Why would Auntie Katie give you that not open? Oh yeah, it is. You need to use your muscles. Oh, yes. All right, let's put some more in.
That's lots.
Lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots. Yeah, let's use half of this. Let's go half of this. What is this? 250 mils. Foaming soap. Needs to be foaming. Do you use this?
Yeah, sometimes I use it and sometimes I use water to make slime.
Oh, I thought you meant to shave your face.
That's my daddy's beard.
It looks like your daddy's beard.
Yeah,
Does your daddy have a white beard?
yeah.
Oh, okay, what an old man. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to mix it.
With this.
Yeah, sure. You put it in, but, yeah, look, you're just gonna have green hands, but that's not Auntie Katie's problem, is it? Oh, yeah, that's heaps, that's plenty. Okay, whoa, oh, okay, the whole thing. We did that, that's gonna be very green. Now you need to get your hands in here, right? And you need to mix it all up. All right, Auntie Katie can't show you, but, oh, careful, oh no. Oh, I didn't wanna touch that. Are you gonna get to the glue on the bottom?
I'm already there.
Oh, you're already on the bottom? Yeah, mix her up. Don't get it everywhere though. Yeah, you're not doing a very good job of this.
I am.
Oh, you are, sorry. Yeah, you're doing a great job.
Get off my cube.
No, keep mixing it right to the bottom.
Ew.
Right, I'm gonna have to get involved, aren't I? I didn't plan on this, did we? Ready? To the bottom. Oh.
I can't even see my hands anymore.
No, you're not getting your hand back. It's just gonna permanently be like that now. You're just gonna have to live like that.
For a while?
Forever.
And what's it all up?
No, you're not allowed to do that.
Why?
Okay, use your hand to get off my hand and we'll swap. You scrape mine off. Okay, that's looking good. Do you think that looks good?
Yeah, I'm looking on my hand.
Oh, don't put it on the other hand.
No, I'm getting it out.
So it's like, it's sort of like stringy-ish. Right, now we add the activator, okay?
Activator.
Activator. So this will get it off our hands, okay? Oops. It's getting stringier, more slimy.
Yeah, it's getting slimy.
Bit more.
Yeah, we only get a bit more, but it's
Yeah, pour her in. You can use dirty hands, it's okay. The whole thing, just do the whole thing.
We get boogers.
Boogers?
Yeah, we get boogers.
Is this what your boogers look like?
Yeah, look at it.
Oh, okay. I think Auntie Katie needs to go get some more of that activator, do you think?
Yeah. And then come back here and then put all of it in. Every single bit.
It's just a mess.
Now
Oh, why did I put my other hand in it? Oh, you're over this already?
Yeah, I'm over the wedding. It's sticky, it's sticky.
See, look, it all comes off. Mix it in with this stuff. Grab this stuff and it will take it off. What are we gonna do with it when it's finished?
Put it on my cubby house.
Put it on your cubby house?
Yeah, so it can be a nice cubby house.
A snake cubby house?
Yeah.
I don't even know what that is.
Every cubby house would make you. What's this? It's like a cobweb.
Okay.
It's like I have a cobweb on my head, but I broke it.
A cobweb?
Yeah, cobweb.
What did you dress up as for Halloween?
Cobweb?
Quick, put your hands in this and it will come off. Put your hands out, quick.
You have to be quick.
Yep, quick, quick, quick.
Before Daddy gets home.
Yeah, before Daddy gets home. I'm just gonna get a little bit more of this. 2 seconds, you keep mixing it up.
Mixing. I want to get some more yolk. Mixing.
Ready? A little bit more. There we go. We're done. Here it is. Now what are you going to do with it?
And put it on the cubby house.
Put it on the cubby house. Okay, off you go.
My cubby house.
Okay, this is just where it's staying. This is where it lives. Mummy's gonna hate Auntie Katie, isn't she?
Yeah, I'm sure he is.
Right, thanks for watching our slime video.
Yucky rub.
Like and subscribe. If you want to see more videos. Should we make more slime?
Yeah.
What does Mummy think?
No. Yeah.
Okay, so until next time, guys. Bye.
Bye. Picky gimme.
Yep, you're only allowed on the table with that, or Auntie Katie will be in trouble. Take it everywhere around the whole house.